Literature lovers, welcome back to Literature with Sasha, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of poetry, prose, and everything that make literature come alive. Today, we are exploring the iconic poets of the Romantic Age, those visionaries who forever changed the way we see the world and express our deepest emotions. So, grab your favorite cup of tea and let's start it. The Romantic Age in literature is widely regarded as one of the most transformative periods in the history of writing. It marked a rebellion against the rationalism and the Enlightenment and brought forth a deep celebration of emotion, individualism, and nature. The poets of this age are often credited with reshaping not only the world of poetry but also the very way we view the world itself. In this video, we will dive deep into the Romantic poets, their works, and their lasting legacy they left on literature. What is Romantic Age? The Romantic Age refers to a literary movement that began in the late 18th century and continued well into the 19th century. It arose as a reaction to the Industrial Revolution and the Age of Enlightenment. While the Enlightenment emphasized reason, logic, and order, Romanticism focused on emotion, imagination, and nature. The movement was deeply intertwined with the political upheaval of the time, including the French Revolution, which inspired many poets to think about freedom, the individual, and the right of man. Key characteristics of Romantic poetry. Romantic poetry is rich with emotion and personal expression. Key themes include number 1, emotion and individualism. Romantic poets often wrote from personal experiences, intuition over reason. They believed in the power of the individual and the importance of expressing one's inner feeling. Number 2, nature as a symbol. Nature was not just scenery for romantic poets, it was a living, breathing force, often symbolized freedom, spirituality, and an escape from industrialized world. Number 3, imagination and creativity. Romantic poet placed high value on imagination and creativity, often exploring supernatural and mystical realms. Major poets of the Romantic era. Now let's dive into the key figures of the Romantic age who redefines poetry for generations to come. William Wordsworth, the poet of nature, is often regarded as one of the founders of the Romantic movement. Born in 1717, he is best known for his deep connection to nature, which is evident in much of his work. His most famous works include lines composed a few miles away, above Tintry Abbey, and I wandered lonely as a cloud, the latter of which immortalized the image of daffodils in the minds of readers. Wordsworth's poetry often revolved around the idea that nature could elevate the human spirit and bring about spiritual generation. His exploration of the sublime and ideal central to Romanticism emphasized the deep emotional power that nature has on the human soul. Samuel Tyrrell Coleridge, The Dreams of Deep Thoughts. Coleridge, a close friend of Wordsworth, is best known for his exploration of the supernatural and the mind. His famous works like The Rime of the Ancient Mariner and Kubla Khan takes reader into dreamlike worlds where the boundaries between reality and imagination blur. Coleridge's poetries were deeply philosophical and often dealt with the complexities of human experience. His use of symbolism and vivid imagery helped to solidify the Romantic poet's role as a visionary who sought to reveal the mysteries of the universe. Lord Byron, the rebel with a cause. Byron, born George Gordon Byron in 1788, was a poet whose life was stained as the theme in his work. Famous for his passionate nature and reckless behavior, Byron became a symbol of the romantic hero, the flawed, rebellious individual. His major works such as Don John and Childe Pilgrims often explored themes of disillusionment, freedom, and the search for meaning in the turbulent world. Byron's influence extended beyond literature, inspiring generations of writers and thinkers to embrace the romantic ideals of the individual. P.B. Shelley, the idealistic revolutionary. P.B. Shelley, born in 1792, is remembered for his idealism and commitment to social and political change. His work often focused on the power of imagination to transcend the oppressive force of society and nature. Shelley Ozymandias is powerful commentary on the fleeting nature of human power and ambition, while other poem explores the theme of liberation and revolution. Shelley's poetry remains up to arms for anyone who seeks to challenge the status quo. John Keats, the poet of beauty and morality. John Keats, through his life was a tragically short, left behind a legacy of poetic beauty. Born in 1795, Keats' work often delves into the fleeting nature of beauty and the inevitability of death. His famous works, such as Ode to Nightingale and Ode on a Grecian Urn, enrich with imagery and offer profound reflection on life, transcend nature. Keats is perhaps best known for his concept of negative capability, the idea that true art comes from embracing uncertainty and ambiguity. His poetry is a celebration of the fleeting yet beautiful movement of life. The influence of the Romantic poet on literature. The Romantic poets laid the foundation for modern literature. Their exploration of the emotional and the mythical, individualistic provided the framework for countless movements that followed from Victorian literature to modernism. Their rejection of rigid structures and embrace of the imagination opened doors for writers to experiment with content. The influence of Romantic poets can still be seen in contemporary literature, where themes of freedom, self-expression, and the power of nature continue to resonate. The legacy of Romantic poets. The poets of Romantic age remain some of the most studied and beloved figures in literature. Their works have not only stood the test of time but have also shaped the cultural consciousness in ways that continue to influence writers, artists, and philosophers. The role of women in Romantic poetry. While much attention is given to males, poets of the Romantic era, women made significant contributions. Mary Shelley, the best known female writers of the period, her exploration of human condition and consequence of unchecked ambition aligned closely with the Romantic ideals of emotion and individualism. Romanticism and politics, a reflection of change. The poets of the Romantic age were deeply affected by the political upheaval of their time, including the French Revolution. Many of their work reflect a desire for social justice, personal freedom, and the overthrow of oppressive systems. Conclusion. The poets of the Romantic age were visionaries, shaped the landscape of literature. They brought emotion, nature, and imagination to their forefront, creating timeless works that continue to captivate readers. Through their exploration of the human soul, these poets felt a legacy that extends far beyond the pages of their book. Thanks for joining me on this literary adventure today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the poets of the Romantic age as much as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode of Literature with Sasha. Until next time, keep reading, keep dreaming, and let the beauty of literature fill your soul. See you in the next video.